Dear students, I welcome you in your today's computer class. I hope you have done previous computer work and maintained your notebooks very well. Today we will learn some interesting things. Dear students, do you know what does orientation of data means in a worksheet cell? No. Okay, no worries. I will tell you, my dears. Orientation means the manner in which your text will appear in a cell. Cell orientation can be of two types. It can be in vertical manner, or it can be in horizontal manner. By default, Microsoft Excel prints worksheet cell data in horizontal manner. You can change the cell orientation in any direction. For changing cell orientation, select the cell containing the text that you want to rotate. Click the Home tab at the top of the window. Click the Orientation button in the Alignment section of the ribbon. Then select the direction in which you wish to rotate the text. In this way your cell orientation will be changed and cell data will be rotated as you desired. But if you have to align cell data in a specific angle, then what will you do, my dears? For rotating cell direction in a particular angle, select the cell that you wish to rotate the text. Right-click and then select Format Cells from the pop-up menu. When the Format Cells window appears, select the Alignment tab. Then set the number of degrees that you want to rotate the text. This value ranges from 90 degrees to -90 degrees. After setting the angle degrees and pressing OK, the text in the selected cell will be rotated and appear in the set angle. Now, my dears, let's discuss another thing. Sometimes it happens that, if the content of an Excel cell is too long to fit in a single cell, one of two things will happen. Either the text string will be displayed over the top of another cell, or if the adjacent cells contain values, the displayed text will be cut off at the cell boundary. This can be seen in the figures. Therefore, you may sometimes want to wrap text in Excel cells in order to fully display long text data. This is done by enabling the Excel Wrap Text option. In order to wrap text in one or more cells, first select the cell or cells that you want to wrap. Click on the Wrap Text option, which is located in the Alignment group of the Home tab of the Excel ribbon. By doing this, long text of the cell will be wrapped in a single cell and the size of the cell will be adjusted accordingly. Dear students, in your Excel worksheets, you may often need to combine or merge two or more cells into one large cell, so that a single cell data can be spread over multiple cells. For example, you may want to combine several cells for making a table heading for better presentation or structure. We can combine two or more neighbor or adjacent cells in Microsoft Excel. The easiest way to combine two or more cells in Excel is to use the built-in Merge and Center option. For merging two or more cells, select the adjacent cells you want to combine. Then on the Home tab in the Alignment group, click the Merge and Center button. By doing this, the cells will be merged and become one cell. That's how you can handle long text in a worksheet cells. Now, my dear students, you have to solve today's computer worksheet in your computer notebooks. That's all for today. Take care and stay safe. Thank you.